Hotel at Disneyland. Come on in. All right.
Big room.
Okay, so today is June 15th, right? Yes. Today marks the grand reopening of the Paradise Pier Hotel since everything closed for COVID and everything. So Paradise Pier is back, baby. And we are here. We got a king bed.
King bed, big room, a lot of space.
Yeah, so we've actually never stayed at Paradise Pier. This is our first time staying here. We've stayed at the Grand Californian, we've stayed at the Disneyland Hotel. This is our first time staying at Paradise Pier. So we got the king bed. There's, obviously you can get 2 queen beds if you need, depending on your family size. This does pull out, I believe, yeah.
And it's pretty big too.
This does pull out as well into another bed.
It's big too. It's a big,
it's huge.
big
I
bed.
could like do a cartwheel in here. But yeah, and actually the carpet even is like
it's supposed
sand.
To be wavy, like you're on the beach.
Yeah, the whole room is like themed like Paradise Pier, beach, and sun, and all of that, which is really cute. They have like a surfboard right here, surfboard lamp with a little hidden Mickey in it.
A lot of the artwork too is beach themed.
We've obviously got the big sun mirror and the lighthouse lamp. Little desk here and the wicker chairs. We do have a Keurig, which is really nice. And then regular plugins over here.
You have the Joffrey's coffee too.
Where?
Right there, Joffrey pods.
Oh yes! Oh my gosh.
That one's upside down, but
yeah, good eye, Corey. Good eye.
I don't miss that.
I know. And then of course this.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
The little Mickey lamp, which reminds me of the one at Old Key West.
When he's hanging it. Yeah, it is.
And then there's like a pretty sun, all in the details.
Yep.
Corey turned on the TV right when we got here because we had to get that music going, get the ambiance going.
The mini fridge.
Oops. Mini fridge and our safe. Drawer space with the little like
a nautical rope tie, bow tie. It's cool.
It is cool. And then on the nightstands, the like alarm clocks have the USB ports.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. And then did you notice in the bedding? Ooh. Can you even see it on the camera?
Yeah, I think there you go.
There's hidden Mickeys. Before we show the bathroom, let's show like the view.
The view?
Because the view is really the best part. And then if you guys want to stick around for the bathroom.
You want to say what floor we're on?
We're on floor 15.
Which is the top.
This is the top. And we checked in, we actually booked a standard view. And since it's the grand reopening day, I think the cast members are trying to make it like extra special. And they upgraded us, so we have a park view.
Top view, we could see the park.
What? Oh my god, I don't know. Like, this is just some Disney magic right here, guys. Like, we have Incredicoaster, we have Pixar Pier, we've got Guardians of the Galaxy, Mission Breakout. And Corey, if you can zoom in, you can even see the Quinjet at Avengers Campus. Like,
yeah, we're zooming.
It's amazing. We've got Cars
Land. You can see it right there, people.
Even, you know, we can see the Grand Californian, Space Mountain, and the Matterhorn.
Yeah, you can see Space Mountain, Grand California.
Can you see the Matterhorn? Come this way.
Yep. Scoot over a little bit.
Beep,
there's the Matterhorn. There it is.
I feel like we're on top of the world up here. Like,
pretty cool. It's the top floor of the resort.
Yeah.
They said the pool's on floor 3.
Yeah, so we'll have to go check that out.
And we're on 15.
And then I just noticed this. It like comes out.
You could probably wheel it over to the couch.
Yeah, so if you wanted, this is actually really nice. Like if you wanted to like even eat or work, you could just roll this out. It's kind of nice actually.
Yeah, it is nice. I'm pretty impressed with how big the room is.
Oh yeah, I mean,
it's really
remember
big.
how big the Disneyland Hotel and the Grand Cal are. Like these are, Disneyland has big rooms. They accommodate like more than 4 people in a room, which is nice.
Yeah, we have the king, but a lot of the rooms are double queen, and the day bed for bigger families.
Okay, on to the bathroom. Big bathroom.
It is a big bathroom.
Just the one sink, but a lot of counter space. We've got all the H2O products.
A lot of them.
We've got them all. I really love the makeup mirrors and shower. Just one shower head, and it's, you know, basic bath, shower. Separate toilet area,
which is nice.
Close off. Back here we've got big, like, floor-length mirrors, and then that's your closet. And
ironing board, hair dryer.
Yep. Extra pillows and blankets, hangers.
We typically use that too, so that's nice.
Laundry bag and luggage rack.
Awesome. That is the bathroom.
That is the bathroom. So that's kind of the room tour. We had kind of a crazy travel day, so we're gonna change really quick, and we have some dining reservations that we need to get to. So we're gonna be going back out. We're gonna go to Napa Rose tonight, so stay tuned because that will be the next vlog. We're gonna do a little late belated anniversary dinner for Corey and I for our 3-year anniversary. So we're gonna head to Napa Rose, but thanks for watching the Paradise Pier vlog. On our way out, maybe we will share the lobby because they have it all decorated for the grand reopening, which is so fun. And then actually maybe we'll add the pool in here too, so we can show a little bit more of the hotel. But I don't even think we got to see you.
Hello.
Hi. Proof that you are actually in Disneyland.
Yeah, she brought me.
Alright guys, we'll see you soon.
Alright, bye.
Right, quick outfit change. We are in room 1510.
Which is on the top floor.
Which way to the elevator?
This way.
Oh, this way. And even the like hallway carpet. Seashells and...
This part's like you're underwater, so you see the bubbles and stuff.
Hidden Mickey. They have the fancy elevators like Grandestino Tower.
So you click, you're going to the pool, and then it tells you what elevator to get in.
We're gonna go check out the pool really quick. We quickly changed for dinner. And here we go.
Going down.
Surf's up, dude. She's gonna talk to us.
She will.
Going down.
Put this in my pocket just in case.
I know.
So yeah, today they dropped the mask mandate too. So
for vaccinated
if you're
guests.
vaccinated, you don't need to wear a mask.
I feel so weird though. Like, when we arrived, and checked in, I still wore my mask. I felt really weird. And I wanted to like be respectful of the cast members because they have to wear it, but it's just kind of something that we all have to get used to.
Going up.
Okay, here we go. Paradise Pool.
Yeah, this is the pool.
Ooh, sunset coming on.
Oh, it's a push.
Thank
cool.
you.
Look, they got a slide.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. There's like a sandbar on the outside. Looks like a restaurant. And they have a lot of seating.
I know.
From the looks of
yeah.
it. Oh, this is cool. Some of the rooms have little patios, right?
Yeah, I know. Isn't that cool?
That is pretty cool.
All right, here we go. We got the pool area. I love all the little signs. Look at, what's it say? For fun and sun in the Golden State.
Like one of those old copper tone ads.
Yeah, and then Coca-Cola over here. We have the hot tub over here. We've got the pool, the slide. This is awesome.
It is, and it looks like they have a bigger hot tub up here too.
Ooh, let's go check it out.
The slide, that's actually kind of nice. Or maybe that's just a kid pool.
Oh, is it a
Yeah.
it's a kiddie pool.
Yeah, it looks like it's a little kid splash pool.
I like how they have these, Corey, like the cabana chairs.
Looks comfortable.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a super fun kid area. It's awesome. And so the lifeguard just came over and said that they're not obviously serving the food and drink here right now, but you can pretty much order like anything from Downtown Disney, from participating restaurants, and they'll deliver it to the lobby for you. So you can, if you want to have some food while you're here at the pool. So they're getting creative during COVID and as kind of the reopening phase is in progress.
Yep. Oh, and that's
Here we go. Here's the participating restaurants.
So they even said like Ballast Point will deliver like
Alcohol.
alcoholic beverages.
Yeah, these are all, this is perfect. That's awesome.
Yeah.
You can just scan it with your mobile app. That's
Yep.
awesome. Okay, and here we are in the lobby. There's Pluto. Oh, and look at all the balloons they have to celebrate opening day. And Goofy's got his balloons. I love it. I love that they're kind of going the extra step to make it special.
Pretty cool.
You know,
Yeah.
for the grand reopening. It's a big deal. It was closed for way too long.
Yeah, the cast members are all pretty good too.
Yeah.
From the ones we've interacted with.
They're happy,
really
they're
happy to be back.
excited. So, the restaurant and dining stuff has yet to return, but like I said,
Mobile order.
and then with, you know, slowly with the reopening phase, that can change. Things are changing rapidly, and here is the store. So, got some souvenirs, clothing. We'll have to
check this
Yeah,
out.
we'll have to take a quick round or we'll go check out Downtown Disney.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in.
We're off to dinner.
We're off to dinner, so stay tuned for the next vlogs to come and all the fun that we are going to have on this trip in Disneyland.
See you
Bye,
soon.
guys.